Have you ever wondered how something as essential as toilet paper is made? Today, we're uncovering the fascinating process behind the production of toilet paper from pulp to roll. Join us on this journey as we explore the meticulous steps that ensure comfort and convenience in every square. It all begins in the heart of sustainable forests, where trees, typically fast-growing softwood like pine, are harvested. The harvested wood is chipped and processed into wood pulp. This pulp is essential for creating the soft, absorbent fibers that make toilet paper. The wood pulp undergoes a thorough washing process to remove impurities in linen, ensuring the fibers are clean and ready for the next stage. To achieve the bright white color we associate with toilet paper, the pulp may undergo a bleaching process using environmentally friendly chemicals. The pulp is then mixed with water to form a slurry, which is sprayed onto a large mesh conveyor belt within the paper machine. As the water drains away, the fibers begin to bond together, forming a continuous sheet of paper. It's pressed and dried to achieve the desired thickness and strength. Next, the paper undergoes calendering, where it passes between rollers to smooth and enhance its softness. Some toilet papers may undergo embossing, where patterns are pressed into the paper to improve its texture and absorbency. The large paper sheets are cut into smaller rolls suitable for consumer use, ensuring each roll meets exacting standards of size and perforation. These rolls are then wound onto cardboard cores, ready for packaging and distribution to stores and homes. Before reaching store shelves, toilet paper undergoes rigorous quality control checks. Specialists ensure each roll meets standards for strength, softness, and absence of defects. Finally, the rolls are carefully packaged in plastic wrap or cardboard boxes, ensuring they remain clean and protected until they reach your bathroom. Today, many toilet paper manufacturers prioritize sustainability. They use recycled fibers, practice responsible forestry, and invest in eco-friendly production processes. The journey from forest to bathroom may be complex, but it ensures that each roll of toilet paper is crafted with care, providing comfort and convenience to households worldwide. If you found this journey through toilet paper production intriguing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And let us know in the comments below what surprised you the most about how toilet paper is made.